Well, it's stars everywhere. Well, Indian stars actually at the Marrakesh Film Festival, on the red carpet and everywhere else. In fact, we caught up with Amitabh Bachchan and Hrithik Roshan bonding big time at the red carpet of Marrakesh Film Festival on the India night. So what really happened and what transpired between the two? Well, we were there to get all of that for you.
You've never seen this before. Amitabh Bachchan and Hrithik Roshan taking turns to praise one another. Here is how it started.
Mr. Bachchan, Hrithik, we both need to talk to you. I mean, this is 100 years of Indian cinema. You are leading the delegation. He's, 4 of his films are being screened. Just share us your thoughts at this point of time.
Him first. There was a time in my life when I was about 13 or 14 years old, and me and my friends used to have a little bit of a camera, and we used to enact Mr. Bachchan's lines and try and find that place in ourselves that could, reflect that greatness. Never did find it. I still haven't found it. One day I hope to achieve, half the greatness as this man here. He continues to inspire, he continues to motivate, encourage, even in his silences. He never needs to say something, but if I'm standing next to him, I'm an inspired soul. So that is it's a blessing, and thank you for that.
With such profuse praise in place, it was time for Amitabh to return the favor.
I have to say that, we used to have these birthday parties for Abhishek. Right from when they were 5-6 years old. And this guy used to win all the dance competitions then. We didn't know what it was going to happen in the future. So I have lovely memories of Hrithik at our house and all the birthday parties of Abhishek. And it's been a great
Superman fancy dress parties.
Yeah, exactly.
Used to pretend to be Superman at that time.
Well, you're playing superhero really well.
Thank you. Thank you.
We caught the two superstars at the 12th Marrakesh International Film Festival. And after the two praised each other, we had Big B revealing the secret behind the love for Bollywood around the world.
What really explains this sheer madness? We saw both of you interacting with the crowds over there, and it was completely mad.
It's just the content of our films, which is very similar in its emotion, the cultures, the family values, and they seem to identify with it, and that is why they love us.
And on that note, the two left us wanting and waiting for more. With Lada Gurden Singh, Entertainment Bureau, Headlines Today.